Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy and development in Nigeria and around the world. In Nigeria, if you want to disorganize any program that is geared towards solving the problem of the country or the society, bring in religion, everything will scatter. Religion has always been the tool or part of the tools that the elite used to bring Nigerians back to division. The ongoing strike by the Nigeria Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress is going to face a hitch because religion has been thrown into the matter. And whenever religion is thrown into the matter, you have to know that that thing is not going to end well again. That is what is happening to the Nigerian Labour Congress and TUC-led strike for the purpose of reaching agreement with the federal government on the new minimum wage. A typical example of what this kind of thing is, remember this woman, Minister of Women Affairs, Ohanenye, Uju Kennedy Ohanenye. You remember when she said she's going to take the Speaker of Niger State House of Assembly to court because the man want to marry off 100 orphan girls. When she said that, I was all over the place. I did a video to warn her. I suggested that she should just apologize to these people because when the issue of religion enters any matter in Nigeria, it's a big issue. And before you know it, the conference of imams in Niger State issued a statement calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to sack Uju Kennedy Ohanenye, to sack her, that she's going out of her bounds. It's not somebody. Uju came to her senses. She did not only went to court to withdraw the case she filed against that speaker, she even donated resources for the success of the wedding she was bragging about, talking about going to court and everything. That is how Nigeria is. Now that brings us back to what is going on now, and why I think that very soon, even before you may watch this video, don't be surprised that the Nigerian Labour Congress will call off the strike. This is because Muslims are against the ongoing strike. Now, the Muslim Rights Concern, MURIC, they have told the labor unions that the TUC and NLC, that their ongoing strike will make life unbearable for Muslims preparing for Sallah, which is just a few days away. In a statement signed by the Executive Director, Professor Ishaq Akintola, the group advised the Nigeria Labour Congress to postpone its strike until after the Muslim festival. He said that other service sectors like the petroleum and the electricity had joined the strike, thereby making life difficult for Muslims preparing for Sallah, saying that transport fares and everything is going up. He said that the approach of the NLC leaders in giving short notice for the strike is, in their words, aggressive, fascist, and partisan, and directed at bringing down the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, MURIC queried whether the strike is a deliberate attempt to make life unbearable for Muslims, and then asked, will Nigeria Labour Congress declare a strike 1 week to Christmas, or is this about bringing down our Muslim tickets? Is this part of the religious war of Yes Daddy? That's what MURIC was asked. MURIC said that if Nigeria Labour Congress reject their advice, they will ask all Muslim workers not to cooperate with the NLC, saying that they should reject the strike because it is an assault on the religion of Islam. And I quote them now. They say, we call on all Muslim leaders and Islamic organizations in Nigeria to speak up now before it is too late. We must reject the tyranny of Muslim haters, thinly veiled unionism. We must reject the tyranny of Muslim haters, thinly veiled unionism. That's the tyranny of Muslim haters, thinly veiled as unionism. We say no to strike in Sallah. So he's talking about that those who are pushing for strike are Muslim haters. Before we go further on this, to bring in other Muslim groups or association that are against the strike. If you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, another major group that is against the strike is Association of Hajj and Umrah Operators of Nigeria. The statement that was issued by their president reads, we would like to call the attention of the Labour Congress to the impact of the strike on one of the most fundamental pillars of Islam, which is the Hajj and Eid al-Kabir festival nationwide. The financial implication the strike will have on Muslims who have saved for years to be able to embark on this holy journey of this sorry, let me take that statement again. He said let me take it again, please. Sorry about that. He said, we would like to call the attention of the Labour Congress to the impact of the strike on one of the most fundamental pillars of Islam, which is the Hajj and the Eid al-Kabir festival nationwide. He said that the financial implication the strike will have on Muslims who have saved for years to be able to embark on this journey is enormous. Additionally, the financial loss to our members will run into billions of naira, having completed all necessary arrangements of accommodation, transportation, and feeding in both Mecca and Medina, including issued tickets and visas for thousands of people of which payments are non-refundable, who will be affected by disruption of both local and international flight operations. We hereby call on the leadership of the Nigeria Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress to please reconsider their stand on the timing of the strike action in the interest of the Nigerian Muslims who form majority of the membership until after Hajj, to avert financial loss that will be borne by average Nigerians. We trust our plea will meet favorable consideration from the leadership of the two unions. The statement by the national president of the association, Abdulateef Ekundayo Yusuf, reads. Now, these are two major Islamic organizations, saying that they don't want this strike to go ahead. In fact, they are claiming, the first one, MURIC, is even claiming that the strike was a sabotage against Bola Ahmed. It was an attempt to bring down Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They were accusing the labor union of partisanship. But the second one that you heard about is the Association of Hajj and Umrah Operators of Nigeria. Now, this Association of Hajj and Umrah Association, they are claiming that the strike is disrupting the pilgrimage. That the strike is disrupting the pilgrimage. But that is not what the organization that is in charge of pilgrimage in Nigeria said. This is because the National Hajj Commission of Nigeria has, in a statement, allayed the fear of intending pilgrims for the 2024 Hajj, saying the ongoing strike embarked upon by the Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress will not affect their airlift to Saudi Arabia for the spiritual exercise. The Commission, in a statement on Monday in Abuja by the Assistant Director of Public Affairs, Fatima Sanda Osara, said that Hajj flights have been departing as planned, with the initial 3 flights per day from the day of the inaugural flight, which gradually increased to a maximum of 6 flights daily, and assured intending pilgrims and concerned Muslims that the strike action will not affect the Hajj airlift. Now, this contradicts the Hajj Operators Association claim that the thing will disrupt. The strike is disrupting Hajj operation, but the federal government body that is in charge of Hajj operation in Nigeria, National Hajj Commission of Nigeria, say no, that the strike is not affecting their flight operation, that flights are moving as planned. Initially, when they started the lifting of pilgrims to Saudi Arabia, they were having 3 flights daily. Now they're having up to 6 flights daily and all that. Things are moving smoothly. But if you read the whole story by National Hajj Commission of Nigeria, they give details of the few states that are remaining that have not finished of airlifting of their pilgrims. But the Association of Hajj and Umrah Operators of Nigeria, who are independent operators, in the sector say the thing is disrupting Hajj operation. But one thing is certain: when you have this kind of situation where the Association of Hajj and Umrah Operators Association of Nigeria, or Association of Hajj and Umrah Operators of Nigeria, have written formally to Nigeria Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress to call off the strike. And you see the MURIC Association, Muslim Rights Association, or Muslim Rights MURIC, Muslim Rights, let me get their name correctly, please. Muslim Rights Group. The Muslim Rights Concern, that's MURIC. And so when you get MURIC raising issues about the strike and trying to cast out the labor leaders as being insensitive to the feelings of Muslims, you can bet that the Trade Union Congress and the Nigeria Labour Congress leaders, who are themselves, I believe, Christians, if I'm not wrong, will have no other choice than to call off this strike. So I expect this strike to be called off. Perhaps they will now call another strike, because right now, with this kind of concern by the Islamic associations, I do not see how the strike can go on for long. They will just have to find a way to call it off because of the Sallah and because of the kind of rhetoric coming from MURIC. They are already asking why, if it was Christmas, would they put strike at that time? They're already saying that it was an attempt to bring down the Muslim ticket. So that kind of mentality is what I believe the NLC will try to avoid. So I foresee the strike being called off, whether they reach any agreement or not, in the next few days. I don't see this strike going further than the next few days. I can't see this strike lasting up to a week. I don't see the possibility. Because of this kind of rhetoric and the sensitivity of religion in Nigerian affairs, the strike will be called off. And it's also a lesson for Nigerians to always know this, that religion, ethnicity will always be a major factor in hindering Nigeria moving forward as a nation. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.